Affordable teeth whitening, Turkey's competitive advantage. In order to achieve an attractive and bright smile, teeth whitening procedures are an option that is popular with many individuals. There are many alternatives available, however, finding a cost-effective and efficient solution is difficult. That's why Turkey is a standout location for low-cost teeth whitening solutions, with competitive rates as well as high-quality outcomes. Turkey is long known as the center of medical tourism. Thousands of people are coming to Turkey for various healthcare options with lower costs in comparison to Western nations. Recently, it has been noted that the demand for dental tourism is increasing and many are choosing Turkey as a destination to receive dental whitening procedures. One of the primary factors behind why Turkey is now a well-known option for teeth whitening is the savings that it provides. Prices for treatment to whiten teeth in Turkey are considerably less expensive than those in other countries like those in the US, UK, and Australia, which makes it a desirable option for people who want to get an attractive smile while with a tight budget. Even with the cheaper prices, however, the standard of treatment and knowledge offered by Turkish dentists are not diminished, which means that patients get the best treatment for less than the price. Alongside the cost savings, a further benefit which Turkey provides in the field of teeth whitening is ease of access and accessibility to the procedures. A lot of dental centers located in Turkey have state-of-the-art equipment and technology, providing clients with a relaxing treatment. It is easy to get dental whitening treatment in Turkey is not difficult, and many dental clinics offer flexibility in appointment timings and rapid time frames for delivering outcomes. Additionally, Turkish dentists are known for their experience and expertise in cosmetic dentistry, which includes teeth whitening. With decades of experience and training, Turkish dentists are well equipped to provide safe and efficient treatment for teeth whitening that produces long-lasting outcomes. The patients can be assured that they are in safe treatment when they undergo teeth whitening in Turkey and be confident that their smiles are at the care of skilled experts. Another benefit of having teeth whitening treatment in Turkey is the chance to enjoy an enjoyable and relaxing holiday. Turkey is an amazing nation with an extensive tradition and a rich culture. It offers tourists the opportunity to experience the stunning scenery, lively cities, and delectable cuisine. The patients can get the most of their vacation by combining their teeth whitening treatment with a vacation and returning to their home with a sparkling smile and lasting memories. The final conclusion is that Turkey's competitive advantages in low-cost teeth whitening is a great option for those who want to improve their appearance without spending a fortune. Affordable prices, top-quality treatment, and highly skilled dental professionals, Turkey is a great alternative for people looking for effective and affordable teeth whitening procedures. If you're seeking to enhance your smile to celebrate a special event or just want to improve your self-confidence, take a look at Turkey as a destination to go for top quality and affordable dental whitening treatments.